Naoris Protocol KYC have started, and you have just about 1 week, 6 more days to actually complete your KYC verification. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram channel. You're going to be seeing legit airdrop that can give you $500 upward if you're actually serious with this airdrop. So now coming to Naoris Protocol, Naoris Protocol is one of the alpha projects that I can actually authoritatively vouch for that this is actually a legit project. The reason is simple: they have a sound project, a valuable project that is being built, which is the internet security, which gives this airdrop a kind of an edge over other airdrops. So verification has started, and for those of you using system and mobile phone, the procedure is simple. The Naoris wallet, all you need to do is to copy your seed phrase, your Naoris Protocol wallet, copy your seed phrase, then download OKS extension both on your system or your Means browser for those of you using a phone. So you can use either of the two, but I know most people will actually be using their mobile phone. Just go straight, download, install OKS wallet, then you log in with your seed phrase so that you have access to your wallet for easy verification. And for the verification, the link is on our Telegram channel. So also check the link in the description. If you join our Telegram channel, you're going to see the link in the Telegram channel, also in the description of this video. So let's get started. In a Means browser, so this is Means browser. So when you enter your Means browser, then you make sure you have OKS installed. You can see this is our OKS wallet. Let me see. Okay, this is OKS wallet, and you make sure you copy your seed phrase, then you log in into your OKS wallet. So I've already added my seed phrase. That's why I'm having this wallet. So this is the one I use for my Naoris protocol. You get the point. So now the next thing you are going to do is to come to this address. This you are going to see it in our Telegram channel. Use the link in the description of this video and join our Telegram channel or the comment section of this video. Then I will click on login. Then from here, you ask me to connect with a wallet. So I'm going to click on connect wallet. You can see from here, this is OKX. So it will redirect me to OKX. Then I will confirm and verify the wallet to connected. So it's connected. Let's see. So now I've been able to successfully log in. So the first thing you need to do is to come here. So when you come here, you're going to go to here. That's the profile section. So when you come to the profile section, you're going to see the profile of your account. So then the next thing you need to do is to come here to fill in your contact. Then you confirm your, I think we've already done that. Then email. So I've done those ones. So all you need to do is just to click on those ones. The contact information, manage wallet, then verify email. Then the last one is to verify your identity, which is identity verification. So you are going to click on identity verification. Then you fill in all your details as required. Then here, he said, are you registering for yourself or on behalf of an entity? So I'm registering for myself. Then I'll click on what? Review. Then you review. Then you click on what? Next again. So here you'll be required to actually put in your details. You are going to snap your identity, your verification. So here, so I'm using my ID card. It's a take photo of your ID card. So you're going to take a clear picture of your ID card. For those of you in Nigeria, you can use your premium NIN and make sure it is very clear. Make sure it's very clear. So then I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to. So I'm required now to actually snap my my ID card. So I'm going to do that now. So I've uploaded my ID card. Now is the save file part. So let me do that sharply. So the identity is being verified. I've uploaded everything I've cross-checked. So they're checking my application data. So it said, congratulations, your verification was successful, has been verified. So if you're yet to do, please do that. And if you encounter any problem along the way, check the link in the description of this video. Join my Telegram channel. It's a large community where we help ourselves. So for more assistance, check the link, join my Telegram channel for a lot of opportunity. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you at the top.